simple as it seems, the twinkle in your eyes, the way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies, just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. It will never grow old, even when we grow up. It's up to us to stop and smell each rose. They're the colors that we show, it's the feeling that we trust, and it's the brush that we both carry. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. When you're searching hard and it seems to lead to nowhere, no matter where you are, know I'll always be there. You don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find you don't ever have to look too far. You don't have to cover up your scars. You're perfect, darling, just the way you are. So before you think to rip yourself apart, open up my heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. There's no words to say it, but I'll find them over time. There's no way to show it, but I'm gonna try for the rest of my life. 'Cause you are the best part of me, the side I hope everyone sees, the air that I breathe, I'm missing piece, wasn't complete before you. 'Cause you are the best part of me. My daylight sky blue, my greener grass on the other side. It's just the simple truth. All that was wrong, you made it right. 'Cause you are the best part of me, the side I hope everyone sees, the air that I breathe, I'm missing piece, wasn't complete before you. 'Cause you are the best part of me.
I, Kristen, take you, Milad,
I,
Kristen, take you, Malad,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
I give to you in the presence of these witnesses
Give to you in the presence of these witnesses
my promise to stay by your side,
my promise to stay by your side
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in joy and in sorrow,
in joy and in sorrow,
as well as through the good times and the bad.
as well as through the good times and the bad.
I promise to love you without reservation,
I promise to love you without reservation,
comfort you in times of distress,
comfort you in times of distress,
encourage you to achieve all of your goals,
encourage you to achieve all of your goals,
laugh with you,
laugh with you,
cry with you,
cry with you,
and grow with you
and grow with you
in mind and spirit,
in mind and spirit,
and cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
and cherish you for as long as we both shall live. Are you kidding me?
I love you. Kristen Ann Blackwell, you're my best friend, and today I receive the blessing of taking you as my lifelong partner. I promise to be your rock and your light when you need guidance, and to listen and support you when you lead. Through every peak and valley, through sickness and in health, and on our best and worst days, I will accept you unconditionally, and my love and support will never waver. You are the half that makes me whole. I vow to you that from this day forward, every action I make will be done with you first and me second. I humbly give you my hand and my heart as I pledge my faith and my love to you for eternity.
Now, Kristen, do you have a ring? Okay. Now place it on Malad's finger and repeat after me.
Okay.
I, Kristen,
I, Kristen,
take thee, Malad,
take thee, Malad,
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
I give you this ring as a symbol
I give you this ring as a symbol
of my love and faithfulness to you.
of my love and faithfulness to you.
Okay. Now, Malad, do you have a ring?
Yes.
Nice. Will you place it on Kristen's finger and repeat after me? I, Malad,
I'm Malad.
take thee, Kristen,
Take thee, Kristen,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I give you this ring as a symbol
I give you this ring as a symbol
of my love and faithfulness to you.
of my love and faithfulness to you.
Now, from this moment on, neither of you will ever be alone. You will each carry with you the love of the other person, which gives you completeness. May your life together be immersed in love and excitement. May you strive to enrich each other in every way possible. And may you work to bring the peace of this world to each other. The sweetness of the honey represents the sweet life and future together that they may share. And I can't think of a sweeter way of starting a marriage. You may now see your marriage with a kiss. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege and honor to be the first to introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. Ossooli.
Oh, girl, it must be you again. You have gone straight to my head. Take the pills and go to bed, but I'm still hooked on this. Well, you are sacred in a way. I don't know God, but still have faith that He will manifest some way when I am next to you. asked your father for your hand, but it didn't matter what he said. The thought of you in a white dress, I don't think I can shake it. We'll get a little place upstate, stay till the kids all graduate, and talk of moving every day. But who are we kidding? We made all our memories here, felt our joys and shed our tears. And when the Holy Ghost appears, hope he sends me back a few more years. I'll be buried next to you, the world will keep on turning to